जी बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम एजुकेशनल मेजरमेंट एंड एवेल्यूएशन के MCQs के पार्ट 3 को डिस्कस करेंगे। उम्मीद है आपको हमारे ये जो MCQs का मरहला है ये पसंद आ रहा होगा। अगर पसंद आ रहा है तो अपनी पसंद का इजहार करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट्स ज़रूर करें। चलते हैं हम पार्ट 3 के MCQs की तरफ। So first of all, the purpose of table of specification is to develop integration between objectives and contents, to develop a balanced test to help the teacher for sampling questions from all contents or all of above. So the right option is all of above. Table of specification is prepared by developing list of instruction objectives, preparing the draft of course content, preparing two-way chart, all of above. So the right option is all of above. Supply type test item is true false items, matching items, MCQs items are completions items. So the right option is completion items. Alternative response item is true false, right wrong, correct incorrect, all of above. So the right option is all of above. How many column matching item have 1 column, 2 column, 4 column or 5 column? So the right option is 2 column. The item in the column for which a match is sought is premise, response, distractor, none of above. So the right option is premise. Identifying relationship between two things is demonstrated by true, false, completion item, matching item or short answer. So the right option is matching items. The statement of a problem in MCQs is stem, option, distractor, premises. So the right option is stem. The list of suggested answers in MCQs is alternatives, choices, options, all of above. So the right option is all of above. The correct option in MCQs is answer, distractors, response, none of above. So the right option is answers. The most widely applicable test item is short answer, completion, matching, MCQs. So the right option is MCQs. The type of essay item in which contents are limited is restricted response questions, extended response questions, MCQs, true or false. So the right option is restricted response questions. The ability to select, organize, integrate and evaluate ideas is demonstrated by restricted response, extended response questions, MCQs are true and false. So the right option is extended response questions. The score of a student getting 70 correct and 30 incorrect answers in true false items by applying guessing correction formula will be 30, 40, 50, 60. So the right option is 40. The score of a student getting 70 correct and 30 incorrect answers in MCQs items having 4 options by applying guessing correction formula will be 30, 40, 50, 60. So the right option is 60. The analysis of item is necessary in teacher made test, standardized test, both A and B, none A and B. So the right option is standardized test. Which one is not the type of test by purpose? As a type, standardized test, criterion reference test, norm reference test. So the right option is standardized test. The type of test by method is standardized test, norm reference test, objective type test or criterion reference test. So the right option is objective type test. Students' performance is compared with other student in norm reference test, criterion reference test, objective reference test or none of above. So the right option is norm reference test. Early student performance is compared with clearly defined learning tasks in norm reference test, criterion reference test, objective reform test or none of above. So the right option is criterion reference test. Test that measure learning outcomes of student is aptitude test, intelligence test, achievement test, diagnostic test. So the right option is achievement test. The test designed to predict future performance is aptitude test, intelligence test, achievement test, diagnostic test. So the right option is aptitude test. The founder of modern intelligence test was Alfred Bent, Terman Stan Golford. So the right option is Alfred Bent. IQ of a student having same physical and mental age will be 90, 100, 110, 120. So the right option is 100. IQ of a student having 12-year mental age and 10-year physical age will be 90, 100, 110 or 120. So the right option is 120. Quality of test that measures what it claims to measure is reliability, validity, objectivity, or so the right option is what intend to measure is validity. The characteristics of a test to discriminate between high achievers and low achiever is reliability, validity, objectivity, or differentiability. So the right option is differentiability. If a scoring of a test is not affected by any factor, quality of test is called reliability, validity, objectivity, or discrimination or differentiability. So the right option is objectivity. Quality of a test to give same scores when administered at different occasions is reliability, validity, objectivity, or differentiability. So the right option is reliability. If the sample of a question in the test is sufficiently large enough, the quality of test is validity, usability, adequacy, objectivity. So the right option is adequacy. The quality of test showing as of time, cost, administration, and interpretation is called validity, usability, adequacy, or objectivity. So the right option is usability. Item analysis focus to find out facility index, discrimination power, effectiveness of distractors, all of above. So the right option is all of above. Facility index difficulty level of an item determines as of or difficulty, discrimination power, effectiveness of distractors, all of above. So the right option is discrimination power. Facility index difficulty level of an item determines as or difficulty, discrimination power, effectiveness of distractors, all of above. So the right option is as difficulty. High and low achievers are sorted out by facility index, discrimination power, effectiveness of distractors, all of above. So the right option is discrimination power. Test item is acceptable when its facility index difficulty level range from 20 to 60, 30 to 70, 40 to 80, or 10 to 50. So the right option is 30 to 70. The test item is very easy when value of facility index difficulty level is higher than 70, 60, 50, 30. So the right option is 70. Test item is very difficult when value of facility index difficulty level is less than 20, 30, 40, 50. So the right option is 30. Discrimination power of an item is acceptable when its value range from 0.31, 0.21, 0.11 and 10 minus 1, 10, 1. So the right option is A, 0.31. Test item discriminates 100% when its value from discrimination is 1, 0.1, 0.01 or 10. So the right option is 1. Test item cannot discriminate low achievers and high achievers when its values lower than 0.10, 0.20, 0.30, 0.40. So the right option is 0.30. Good distractor is that which attracts high achievers more than low achievers, attracts low achiever more than high achievers, attracts equally high and low achiever, does not attract. So the right option is B, attract low achievers more than high achievers. Bad distractor is that which attracts high achievers more than low achievers, does not attract to any students, attract high achievers and low achievers equally, all of above. So the right option is all of above. The type of interview which interviews is 1. Individual interview, single interview, structured interview, focused interview. So the right option is individual interview. What is interview called when interview are more than 1? Group interview, panel interview, structured interview, focused interview. So the right option is group interview. The planned interview is group interview, panel interview, structural interview, focused interview. So the right option is structured interview. On one problem in group interview, panel interview, structured interview, or focused interview. So the right option is focused interview. The collection of productive work called to evaluate the performance of student is portfolio, project, assignments, all of above. So the right option is portfolio. The type of marking and reporting system is traditional marking system, pass-fail system, letters to the parents, all of above. So the right option is all of above. What is the average of 20, 21, 22 and 23? 20, 21, 21.5, 22. So the right option is 21.5. What is the mod of 5, 6, 3, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 6, 7? So the right option is 5. What is the median of 3, 4, 5, 7, 1, 9, 2, 6, 8? So the right option 1, 3, 5, 7. So the right option is 5. What is the median of 1, 6, 4, 5, 2, 3, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5? So the right option is 3.5. Item with difficulty index of 5% is very easy, acceptable, difficult. So the right option is difficult. Quality of a test to give same scores at two items is called validity, reliability, objectivity, usability. So the right option is reliability. Alfred Bent major contribution was testing in the field of mental achievement diagnostic, none of above. So the right option is mental. The series which divides the distribution into equal halves is called mean, median, mode, range. So the right option is median. The score in a distribution which has maximum frequency is called mean, median, mode, range. So the right option is mode. Accuracy of measurement is called validity, reliability, all of the above. So the right option is reliability. Which type of test ends to have the lowest reliability? True, false, completion, matching, essay. So the right option is essay type.